aside of Kum Chacha life as a gift to Okita, as a man of God, as an evangelist, as a prophet, no fan can say. When it be one abrabom or what dear any gift, any what dear any passion. Into Kum Chacha, Miss 1% man say. Social media trends, I say, yes, sing, I'm here, Jumana. Maybe I don't know, I'm not in your house, but when you are talking, we don't feel that pastorship in you. That won't judge a better now shows no kasa. He talks to make the show entertaining, and an instant also a day. You understand? For my situation will be on Nandia. And some no and yet trendy issues so and some what I say fire papa prophet evangelist good charger na ndie meno matena sia adwensem na pesa me beka fa no so what I say and some ase meaning say we bisa on sa question na but me de me die beko inti ne say ya comment like na den na share na program here me betena sia na me no bubo no aha we expose news as some person member we dey ehun what I say I mesimia adwumako ade e buy neat roofing say from omo na go ase o na omo be bo chance no so ma na ansa na meto aso no asem na me person me kan say onim na say na ye papa or boy siki ete one kind of this show so I can say oh say there Kum Chacha nyame adwuma ne nyame adwuma na woye na say wadane comedian wabe te say social media for na eden ebi na ebi mu krama say kra bi mu so na asole kra egu onye na asole bio ma recently kra no so be play review na sorry ma you say na asole gusu wo ho ene ade and question na amanko for feel say they say they are not seeing Kum Chacha being a man of God anymore, but they seem to be just a talk show panelist. What I say, but se sa na ho na me mo yin me won sem bia me pe me chirem. What I say, let me tell you something. Aside of Kum Chacha life as a gift to Okita, as a man of God, as an evangelist, as a prophet, mo fan kan won say woni pe bia won abrabom mu or what dear any gift, any what dear any passion. It's more a few years ago. Now social media share that so much trendy. Okay, first yeah, papa Jacko or ye movie. Nay other words be okay say movie be Jacko ye and oka. Erade me bonfire, me biane pofo, pressure. Almost say radio stations for bonum best station programmer. Obi to me the share the jingle man. Now what I say, and send a program no cry then Asha say. It's a Kum Chacha kwa other audios be na ya oka about television radio senior interview na. No I can say oh I say us work on this schedule say what the bayila e da ube nya playback crash wo wiem no apɛ kwan a ube the ring ne be the ebayila e ho na nkofo ana radio presenter starting say man ya side of nyame adwuma na oye no or was some kind of talent. That is where they started what interviewing him. Let me what you say. The American mama na ne say ma me nua no Kum Chacha, he is still a man of God. So what I say, the oye bia or United any show bia or yesu bia no, a part of passion. Idea bia obe to my and idea no so ampa to Chacha betina o show so no kasa. He talks to make the show entertaining and an ensemble also there. You understand? And no a kind of apart from nyame adwuma no, obi die so obe to my nyame adwuma nko a. It in a pastor or your doctor. You work pastor or your lawyer. You work pastor be your child be with school. You work pastor, you mean pastor or your professor. So what I say, obia our gift of God that talent in your media man no. Or so what be or your passionate doing about or your umbrella. You understand? So this is what I want to clear the air. Say I say yeah condemn it too much. This right there no. You deliver show so you can so no show. You pepe. He talks and we laugh. So why are we only see him as a comedy and not recognize him as a man of God? Let's get the recognition for him as a man of God. The anointing is there. Me and I defended that for him. Then me can what I say. But as a phone, any pattern and for question will be said Kum Chacha. Miss me be some question. It's opportunity now unya. Now what you call TV stations, you know. Tell Ben a unya at the yawa sorry. because say what to me nya time e ma wo shows e nya kwa shows ya wo ko ni free. It will quite this money you gather and all this ministry, you know. And then I also pay YouTube channel. And I say, won't pay also, you're trying to say, with TV station, Obama, you are solid programs. They will say, aside of their way, this is who you are because you're already training on the social media. It's about solid TV, so I can get money. You were doing this before. Why have you stopped? And one more concentration in social media trends, so I will keep it. You have a job doing for God. Jere woman no so yere ho na ye ne yie pa. What I say? Na social media trends Ghana for bebo nsem ama wo. Man na say wo credibility a wo kita no and obi kan what than comedian. But e bia wo nye comedian. They all can Isaac Castellucho. Once still no can answer but still he's still being recognized sometimes as a man of God. You understand? It's member comedy in Dawson. Mesrel ebeya. My young say yes, you are still the man of God, but yes. You like social media trends. You can talk about things that is going on. And my power now okitano anything and kosro. Because let me tell this story to my viewers. Actually, now Apostle Salman message me on a true story. Now say on. There was one man of God. What's sorry. Now they the wife who say he's just a man husband to him. It will preach one day now. The wife, you know, sorry, no point. After congregation, I just not of my coffee. I want to say you only need there was one show sign to oppose or anything to coffee. No bad dinner. It's okay and Oban 7 Adriani and Oba no DD as usual no business. Nothing and they are sorry now here then. Oh sorry, sir. Obama and Casao and no catch of friend who could not catch and say. My husband, one friend of my husband was a man of God. Pray on me, pray for me. There is trouble in my house. Hey, na pastor, a day ni nyamis and ni husband duty ni tunchen, and he prayed for his wife as anointed man of God. Uriah Nobani catch and say, I was seeing you as my husband. So whenever we go to church, I don't take things much serious. But as you preach today, I learned something and I noticed that no, you are also a man of God and I need to tap into your anointing so that whatever is going wrong in our marriage, I can work things out. In the same year, you say, Onyankopon na ofre kum chacha. That anointing and do me you. Or no, let me tell you something. Mami example be show. Apostle my example be say, we bo every ejim. Oh, we that year for every gym. Now we see what yen sounds young woman in Jew and no to what I'm not true. It is a nipa crowd abrabomo. Now we are spiritually built. Oh, now we shy and pie bobo and now yamen who chon kakasa we are Christian, but send your person we the first one time your one. Who judge me doom kakra. Into kum judge Miss 1% man say. Social media trends as a yasin yamie juma na we no. Maybe I don't know, I'm not in your house, but when you are talking, we don't feel that pastorship in you, that man of God in you. It doesn't make us feel the power because as we know, some about the comedy pay, my power near the emblem. It is a what giant pie bubble, where giant mountains qua, as me being here. Limwale can come and go with my friend Efukent. Me can't see me actually. Papa so be no be catch and then me catch it. Rise up and stand on your feet for what God has called you to do. Ma ebi emunyaka will be some can say your social media trends places now come. And also it is part of you. Ghana for the way you beka one ya beka. But you are known as a man of God. Let that be known. This is my perception. Minia now like now comment share what again sasema making media grana say. Edia I Ghana the expose GH. Yet the ensema air train yet the bebro and sema yet tenas yet dream I will see the by the beba what I say. I now make catch say come church on your comedian what I say when you still a man of God. Who now won't tears here? My comment internet they be my back and you make perception. Oh I be also I am out say on your mini part. So comment section I say your opinion is allowed. What I say? Expose news, expose trends, and semi el coso. I see expose G, no Ghana and beyond. Maybe I know ebe se hia even po ye nya bi kakra bi kra mesade aba chale ebe hia kama ma
Oniadofo de ne wo haw de ne wadwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan na wasie wie na wo penchensen papa de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwunu enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam Natural Fins ebie wo mo ensem de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo emmeso wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kaso wonsa se wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo age wo mo atum Natural Fins ana wo mo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda